How to switch your Roblox accounts on your mobile device. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch your Roblox account. First, you need to go ahead and install the latest version of Roblox application on your device. Then simply launch the application, log into your account, and once you're logged in, tap on the More icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll down, and in the bottom, you'll get two different options of switch accounts and log out. Tap on Switch Account. Here, you'll get the list of accounts that is logged into your device. If not, you'll get the option of Add Account. Tap on that. Now, you'll again get two different options of Log into existing account and Create a new account. Go ahead and tap on Log into existing account. Then enter your username, email, or phone number that is associated with your account. Then tap on Next and enter your password. And then your account will be switched to the one that you just entered. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.